Hello, in this video I want to show you all available gestures and motions on Samsung Galaxy A04. And to do this we'll need to open a settings. Now look for the advanced features. Let me change the brightness real quick. Now again, look for advanced features. You should find them and then go for motions and gestures. Here we can see them all, and now let's check how they work. First one is lift to wake. If you enable it and lock your device, then again if you pick it up it should wake up, but yeah, the feature works fine. It just woken up from a lock screen. Next one is double tap to turn on screen and double tap to turn off screen. Let's see if it works. Yeah, it works fine. Then keep screen on while viewing. If you keep looking on your screen, your phone should never lock. Alert when the phone is picked up if you enable it. Then if you lock it and place it on a surface and you receive any call or a message and you didn't notice, next time you pick up your phone it should vibrate. To turn over to mute, now if you place your phone upside down like this, it should mute all incoming calls. Last is a finger sensor gesture. So fingerprint on this device is located, I guess, right here. Let's see if it works. So if we enable it, now we can scroll down the notification bar by dragging our finger on a fingerprint sensor. So yeah, it works fine. You can hide or unhide the notification bar. And that's all of the features in gestures and motions on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.